Hello to everyone, this is Anupama. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from pair of straight lines of inter first year 20. Question is that show that the product of the perpendicular distance from origin to the pair of straight lines represented by ax square plus 2hx square plus by square plus 2. Okay, that is the 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the pair of straight lines equation. But we have to prove this. This is the perpendicular distance, product of the perpendicular distance. Okay, so how to prove? Let us see that. So this is the equation, no? This what? How we can take? This is the equation of two straight lines equation. This can be uh, denoted as two separate straight lines, right? So this can be written as x square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. We can write this as L1x plus M1y plus N1 into L2x plus M2x plus N2 equal to 0. Yes? Can we denote that in this way? No. If you multiply this, you will get this line, this type of line you will get, line equation you will get. Okay. So before that, let us multiply and compare the coefficients. Okay. So here L1 L2 x square plus L1 M2 x plus L1 M2 xy plus L1 N2 x plus M1 L2 xy plus M1 M2 y square plus M1 N2 y plus N1 L2 x N1 M2 y plus N1 N2 equals to 0. Okay. So first write rearrange them in the order. M2 y square plus L1 M2 M1 L2 L1 M2 plus L2 M1 into xy plus M L1 N2 plus L2 N1 into x plus M1 N2 plus M2 N1 into y plus N1 N2 equals to 0. Right? Now this equation coefficients we have to compare. So first what you will get, L1 L2 equals to A, next M1 M2 equals to B, next L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is equals to 2H, next L1 N2 plus L2 N1 is equals to 2G, M1 N2 plus M2 N1 equals to 2F, N1 N2 equals to C. Okay, like this we have to compare. Now we have perpendicular distance formula what ma for each line, for one line. Perpendicular distance of line L1x plus M1y plus N1 equal to 0 E from origin is given by, okay, what is the formula you will get? Mod of L1 into 0 plus M1 into 0 plus N1 by root of L1 square plus M1 square. This is the formula, right? What is this? What is that formula? What is that formula, ma? Perpendicular distance means A. Let us take that origin as some x1, y1, r, p, q like that. A into p plus b into q plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is the formula where p comma q is equals to origin, that is 0 comma 0. Okay. So last what you will get, L1 into 0 is 0, M1 into 0 is 0 and N1 left. So mod N1 by root of L1 square plus M1 square. Okay. Now for the second line you have to see. For the second line, what is the second line? L2x plus M2y plus N2 equal to 0. For this what you will get? Mod of L2 into 0 plus M2 into 0 plus N2 by root of L2 square plus M2 square. Right? Which equals, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. What left? N2. So mod N2 by root of L2 square plus M2 square. Okay. So here what we got? This is the distance of one line, perpendicular distance of one line. This is the second line's perpendicular distance. So what to do? We have to multiply. Here they asked about the product of perpendicular distances. Product of perpendicular distances. So we have to multiply the two expressions we got. Okay, what are those? Take this as 1 and this as 2. So product, equation 1 into equation 2. What you will get? Mod N1 by root of L1 square plus M1 square into mod N2 by root of L2 square plus M2 square, which is equals to, what you will get? N1 N2 mod of N1 into N2 by what now? What you will get? Root, if you take this as A and this as B, root AB equals to root A into B, root A into root B equal to root AB, right? So this you can write as root of L1 square plus M1 square into L2 square plus M2 square. Okay. So what next? Okay, this you got, that implies N1 N2 mod N1 N2 by root of L1 square L2 square plus L1 square M2 square, multiply, just multiply these two, M1 square L2 square plus M1 square M2 square. Okay, that implies, so mod N1 N2 by root of L1 square L2 square plus M1 square M2 square plus, here what we got? L1 square M2 square plus L2 square M1 square. If you observe this part, only this one, this is 2H. Okay, but here squares are there. So what to do? L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square equals to, what you will get? 4H square. Okay, now expand this. What you will get? L1 square M2 square plus L2 square M1 square plus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 equal to 4h square, right? So if you observe this, what you will get? 2 L1 L2 is A, M1 M2 is B. Okay, so L1 square M2 square L2 square M1 square plus 2AB equal to 4h square. So what you will get? L1 square M2 square plus L2 square M1 square equal to 4h square minus 2AB. So this, if you observe, what is the value of this? L1 square M2 square plus L2 square M1 square is equal to 4h square minus 2AB. So that implies here what you will get? N1 N2 is nothing but C by L1 L2, L1 square L2 square is root of A square plus M1 square M2 square is B square plus this, what you get? 4h square minus 2ab. 4h square minus 2ab, which is equals to mod C by root of A square plus B square minus 2ab. Formula what ma? A square plus B square formula, sorry, A square plus B square minus 2ab equal to A square plus B square minus 2ab equals to A minus B whole square, right? This is the formula what we are using here. Okay. So here what we got? A minus B whole square and remains what? Plus 4h square. That only we have to prove, right? See, this only we have to prove, no? Solved, proved, that we got it. Okay. This is the question. Very easy, ma. If you understand and if you remember the formulas properly, then you can do it.